Feeling lost in a world of subpar clamps? Take control with a new ACD-50 Series Cat 4 Navigator clamp line and let them lead you home with easy, reliable measurements every time. Amprobe's Navigator clamp meters feature single-handed selection with a joystick control that makes it easy to choose between multiple measurements like power factor, individual harmonics, or AC/DC. This innovation eliminates all those small, confusing push buttons so you can select functions directly on the super bright backlit display. Designed for the toughest electrical applications, these clamps feature phase rotation, inrush current, and low-pass filter for full diagnostic capabilities, and the true RMS technology for accuracy. The rugged Cat 4 rated units are also equipped with in-jaw flashlights and are drop-proof to 4 feet. Everything you need to take control of your commercial and industrial environments.